What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Ctdgraphicx, your celebrity graphic designer, web designer, and photographer. I'm the one who be around here doing all these cool graphics for some of your favorite reality TV stars, social media influencers, and celebrities. My work has been featured literally on Love and Hip Hop. It has also done things to where it has featured Cardi B. The list goes on. But what I'm coming to you guys right now is with something very, very special. I have created my own Photoshop presets. So for those of you guys who may not know what presets are pretty much like little elements and plugins that you add into Photoshop to make your design pop even more. So one thing about me, when I design stuff, my stuff be on point and over the top, and literally it catches the eyes. So I decided, for some of you guys, I put together some presets, and literally all you guys have to do is upload these presets. And once you upload them, literally, I'm going to walk you through how to do it, and you'll be able to upload them and you'll be able to use it. And within a few clicks, it can make your photos and whatever your graphics that you're creating inside of Photoshop pop out even more than what it actually is. So we're actually getting ready to start this right now. I'm going to show you this step by step. It's very, very simple, very easy, not hard at all to use. And thank you again for supporting me by purchasing my preset. Let's get this thing going.